How to log in and sign in for the Monopoly Go account. Hey guys, and let's get started. Monopoly is a game that you can download on your Android and get signed up or log in. For this, first of all, go to the Play Store and on the search bar type in Monopoly Go. After that, tap on the install button. It will automatically start the download and installation. Once installed, tap on the play button and it will open the Monopoly Go. First of all, if you need to sign up, you can directly connect it to the Facebook, or for the next option, you can continue as a guest as well. It will take some time to load the game, so make sure to wait until it is 100%. Then after tap on I agree and it will take you to next page. You can now tap on play with friends or play as guest. If you tap on play with friends, it will ask permission to connect to the Facebook. If you want to play as guest, you can just tap on the second option and it will automatically log you in on the Monopoly Go account. Once logged in as guest, now you can create your own account by tapping on the friends icon which is on the bottom right. And by this, you can connect your Facebook, invite more friends and add friends as well. You can also check your details and your position or rank on the leaderboard. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.